Hi ladies, for our next video I want to actually talk about name change. And what I mean about name change is, let's change the names on things that we already have. Like change the names on our cell phones, our computers, the name that we have for our Facebook pages, the names that we have on anything that we own, to make it more personalized to you. So when you even read the names, it sounds more, I would say, happy, or more like it's kind of speaking to you, because every time you read the name, it brings out joy for you. So instead of your Facebook page saying your name, so I would change it to like Sunshine or Sexy Mama, or something that would, every time you read it, it would bring you joy. So to my cell phone name has changed from Samsung, which is the common name that your cell phone usually is, to I changed my name to Pure Energy. So change your Facebook pages to my Facebook page for the website is called Empowering Women, or my computer name is Rainbow, or Happy Baby, or something like that. So something that I would say mostly would inspire you, and things like that, or something that would bring you joy and help you smile, or something that can connect with your inner child. So I want you to focus on that. So this is just a small, quick little video to just bring out the empowerment for you to just change your name with some of the everyday things that you use that can keep you on your goal setting for you to empower yourself, and like just like when you call out your nickname or things like that. So I just want you to start doing just little changes every day for yourself, okay? And keep just loving you from the inside out. I love you and you love you. All right.